This problem asks us to model 90%. Now, percent means out of 100, so I can rewrite this as 90 out of 100, which is also equivalent to 9 out of 10. So I could, in this 10 by 10 grid, which has 100 squares, I could color in 90 out of the 100 squares, or I could color in 9 out of 10 columns, or 9 out of 10 rows. And I'm just going to color in 9 out of the 10 rows. Which would be filling in this whole area inside here. And that is equivalent to 90% of the whole grid that we have.